It's me, Ori, from Specific Time, and I want you guys to subscribe to me, and leave a like down below, and subscribe. So I'm gonna show you how to make slime, or hopefully this works out. So I got this container. I got a Gain ball tag or something like that. Shaving gel, I don't know if you can see that, shaving gel, and some glitter glue. I also have my mixer. It's just like this. So let's get started. First, I'm pouring in my glue. There we go. First, I'm getting this out. I can put it there. I'm gonna take off this part, this flappo, and hopefully this works out. And once I have like a real slime, I might add some foam beads or whatever. I get foam beads. I had to go do something. I don't know if you could see it. Oh, these look. You can use shaving cream. I'd prefer use shaving cream. But for right now, better come out. This is like there. There's still more. That's why I'm out. Oh, guys, I don't know if you see that, but on the camera, I'm showing using. Okay. Now we're just gonna put the lid on because I got all of it out. And before this thing I used, I'm just gonna clean you. It got on. It's dirty. Now I'm just gonna use some shaving cream. Because I will like this. Spray. Oh, that's about enough. Now I'm gonna quickly stir that. Wow, this is good. So it's just gonna be a red color. Maybe once I add like the tile, which is like a blue color, it might turn purple. But I don't know if you can see it. It's red, and this smells so good. But this is a red, and it's like turning to like a light pink color. Like you can see red color, but to make it like turn like a purpley pink. I want this a little fluffier, and I don't really want this red. It's a good thing, and it's the color I want. I want it a little lighter, so that's not a dark color when I add this should work. So I want to show you. It's like a greeny blue, to be honest. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a greeny blue. And yes, it's like a green blue. So I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, it's starting the slime. Okay, we're working. It's working. It's like wanting to go. It's like going for a stroll. There's some slime starting on the stick too. So quick. This is what it's looking like. Now guys, today I know you're like, why are you making 2 videos of like every day? And sorry I haven't posted a lot of videos. I should have, but sorry. I'm going to post this, and I'm going to make another one of some people that have did slime but had not used glue. So I'm going to try with, first I want this done. So it's a little better. I'm just being dramatic about this. But this is just gross. Wow, this is cool. Wait. It's gross and gross. And a little, it's like not gross, but it is a little gross. This is Pickus slime, and I want to show you. This is like a red pigeon letter. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix these slimes right here. These are gross. They're watery. Like they're jiggly slime. Now this is gonna be activated, like good. But I don't want it slimy or like too activated. This is not gonna, yeah, this might be a bad one. I should have showed you the one I've already made. Should have showed you how to do it. But I'll make more slime videos around Christmas. And Christmas is soon in like 19 days. But it's a little wet. I don't know why. The stuff gets on your hands. I don't know why either. Like, I'm mixing this good. Maybe if I just... It's not actually that bad. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, so this is perfectly good slime. Stretchy, it's jiggly. I don't know if it's clicky. It's not really clicky, but it's a really good slime. So I'm just gonna have to wipe this out. I want to put on my foot. This is a really good slime. So, yeah. So, thank you for watching.